When moving a grandfather clock, always use gloves to remove the inside brass contents. The oil on your skin can cause the brass to tarnish, which will make it appear dirty, aged, or less shiny. Begin by opening the glass cabinet of the clock and removing the brass weights with gloves and packing paper. Wrap each of the brass weights in packing paper and place in a parts box. The pendulum should unhook from the clock. Use a mirror carton to fold around it. Secure with tape to create a soft crate for this delicate piece. Fill the inside of the clock cabinet with packing paper to offer some additional support against the glass, as well as prevent the chains from swinging and knocking into the glass or cabinet walls. Cover the clock with moving pads and secure the tape before using cardboard to build a soft crate around the glass. Cardboard can scratch the glass or wood, so it's best to cover it with a pad first. Once the clock is completely covered in pads, then you will use cardboard to build a soft crate to better protect the glass cabinet. Score the cardboard by gently sliding a razor where you will fold it to make a cleaner fold and fit the clock better. Secure the fitted cardboard with tape. Now roll the entire piece with stretch wrap to securely fasten the pads and soft crate cardboard in place.